Dopamine, the neurochemical that makes you self-distract, overeat, and waste hours on TikTok. But what if you could use your dopamine system to propel yourself forward, making it your number one tool for hyperfocus? In this video, I'll show you how. I'll never forget it. I was 9 days into a silent Zen meditation retreat, meditating for 16 hours a day, with no talking, no reading, no writing, and eating bland, tasteless food. After the retreat, I caught a cab home. Sitting in the back seat, my fingers hovered over the screen of my phone. The anticipation was part excitement, part anxiety. Messages flooded in, and the dopamine reward was intoxicating. The next day, though, I was still in a heavily meditated state. I started working on a task I had been avoiding for months, and to my surprise, I was completely absorbed in it. Hours passed without me even realizing it. How did that happen? How dopamine works. Dopamine is the molecule responsible for creating addiction-like behavior, making things like drugs, overeating, and scrolling social media so compelling. It's also the reason we feel a high after accomplishing something. Dopamine makes us want more of whatever produces it. The problem with dopamine detox: many people think that we can detox dopamine, but that's not possible. Dopamine is essential for functioning, and it plays a huge role in helping us focus. The issue comes when we overstimulate our dopamine systems and become desensitized to it. Instead of detoxing dopamine, we need to resensitize ourselves to it. How to resensitize your dopamine? When we resensitize our dopamine system, we can better control our impulses and delay gratification. Imagine if you were as excited about writing a book, creating a product, or whatever your daily tasks are, as you are with scrolling through TikTok or checking your bank account after payday. This is what's possible when you reset your reward sensitivity. Step 1. Make the boring rewarding. The first step to mastering your dopaminergic system is to make the boring things feel rewarding. A simple way to do this is by modifying how we take breaks. Most people take dopamine-fueled breaks, like scrolling social media, checking emails, or reading the news. The mistake is doing something more stimulating than the work you're taking a break from. For example, if you've just spent an hour scrolling through social media, reading a research paper afterward will feel extremely dull. Instead, try taking a break by doing something that doesn't stimulate dopamine, like staring at a wall or walking mindfully. When you deprive your brain of stimulation, you'll find work becomes more engaging. Step 2. Habit the in-between moments. We all have in-between moments throughout the day, like waiting in line or sitting alone during lunch. Normally, we reach for our phones for a quick dopamine hit. Instead, try being present during these moments. Don't consume any information, just sit in silence or pay attention to your breath. This will help you reset your reward system and make you more sensitive to the rewards of productive work. Step 3. Do one thing at a time. To improve focus, do one thing at a time. Whether you're eating, working, or talking, embrace it fully and don't multitask. Multitasking is actually detrimental to focus, and it creates mental shifts that reduce your ability to stay in the present moment. By doing one task at a time, you'll increase your sensitivity to dopamine and make it easier to access flow. Conclusion: to master your dopaminergic system and propel yourself forward to peak performance, take boring breaks that reset your dopamine system. Use in-between moments to practice being present. Do one thing at a time and focus fully on it. By implementing these steps, you can recalibrate your brain to crave hard work and focus like never before. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your journey to heightened productivity.